I'm thinking. I'm playing in the rain. I'm bouncing a ball. I'm skipping. I'm winking my eyes. I'm tickling. I'm snapping. I'm rubbing. I'm sucking. I'm clapping. I'm exercising. I'm putting my phone on charging. I'm planting the tree. I'm visiting the doctor. I'm washing my clothes. I'm standing. I'm sitting. I'm watching TV. I'm building with blocks. I'm cooking. I'm plunging into the toilet. I'm pointing. I'm cycling. I'm burping. I'm smoking. I'm spitting. I'm spinning. I'm washing my hands. I'm playing football. I'm sleeping. I'm watching the cartoon. I'm doing my homework. I clear my bookshelves. I prepare dinner. I'm organizing my clothes. I create art in my studio. I teach at school. I'm tasting. I'm swinging. I'm hiding. I'm drinking water. I'm digging. I'm pouring. I'm searching. I'm scared. I'm eating hamburger. I'm walking. I'm jumping.